Wormhole just introduced governance staking, and as a result, we are seeing something huge here in terms of price reflection and price action. What a great week here for Wormhole with the token ticker symbol of just a W right here. We can see up to $1.3 billion looking very, very juicy here, very tempting here on the 24-hour time frame for this particular altcoin. So welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins channel, everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. I wanted to cover this project because it could be worthwhile. Can $1,000 worth of Wormhole tokens make you potentially rich? Well, a $1.3 billion market capitalization, a 10x would take that to 13 billion, which would then make that original capital 10k. And you know, a $13 billion speculation. How many coins are already over $13 billion? Well, that's something I would, always look to check. We can see we've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there aren't really too many, 8, 9, and the others are stable coins. So there's 8 or 9 coins right there. So it's a high risk, high reward. If you're looking to get super, super rich out of just $1,000 of a project like this, it probably won't happen. But if you're looking to go long, go on leverage, or just trade or have fun with this coin, it could potentially be one of those that does actually provide some upside. Now, remember, this is not financial advice, but I want to talk about Wormhole. You can see here, stake for governance is now live for the W token holders. So this is the opportunity to participate in the governance and impact the future direction of the Wormhole DAO and platform. This is big, big news. Almost 1 million views just on this video right here, which is absolutely crazy to see, ladies and gents. Big congratulations to the Wormhole team over there, of course. So Wormhole is the leading interoperability platform powering multi-chain applications and bridges at scale. This helps all kinds of projects, dApps, different cryptos of all sorts communicate with each other, and overall boosts liquidity. And just looking at Wormhole at the moment, you can really see how it has dipped down to that 0.52 region just a few times in the past, but every time it does rise again, very strong. So we're talking about this section down here in the support region, and maybe, just maybe, you could also kind of view this as a bit of a double bottom or a W pattern, if you will, where you're getting this kind of sideways consolidation, you're getting the impulse, and you're getting a bit of a retracement, and then you're getting an impulse wave again. We could potentially break through that resistance of 0.77 and see another high place through. We'd be looking at highs of around 0.88 and 0.93 based on Fibonacci structure alone, which would offer roughly 23% upside just looking at the Fibonacci levels here if we can break through. Obviously, 2 very bullish days. The RSI is not quite overbought just yet, and I think is just catching up with itself and gaining that bullish momentum. We can see on the 4-hour time frame, it has indeed just hit overbought. So a little bit greedy. Eyes are definitely looking at this coin right now, but I think, it could go somewhere pretty good. That's a big pump on the, the last 4 hours. As you can see, in 4 hours time frame, it's gone up by 10%. So lots of bullish momentum here. Try not to always just, chase those green candles because it could easily bite you back very, very hard. But you can see this is just bulls are in control. The teeth are in the candles and they are pushing hard to make sure that this coin does go where they want it to be. Of course, we've got some support interest around here. Good point of interest around 66 cents for Wormhole coin. If it comes back down, that could be a good place to potentially buy back into. But right now, it just looks like the coin just wants to go up and up. So could be a good bullish play here for the Wormhole token. And I think, just really zooming out of Wormhole, if it is sitting at like 1.3 billion, you can see right now we've got 1.8 billion tokens in supply or circulation of the 10 billion total W coins. I think it's one of those that could do rather well for the future. Remember, not financial advice. The crypto market today, a strong week. Closing the week very strong. The day is starting to look a bit brighter, a little bit more green. And I guess, Bitcoin is in a consolidation phase. It could even hit $80,000 in the next few weeks. Don't mark my words, of course, but the market is feeling bullish. It's feeling like it wants some action right now, even though retailers are kind of just not really around. I don't feel that euphoric buzz from the retail market, but things are looking rather good. Also want to update on PlayDoge, everyone's new favorite play to earn meme coin. Now just about raised $3 million. So do check out PlayDoge. The link is down below. It could be a new 100x potential cryptocurrency on the BEP20 chain. It looks fantastic. It's colorful. It's vibrant. It's a product. It's also a game where you can play to earn more tokens. So here is a little snippet of the application. Got a roadmap here. Got Space Invader teaser. And just looking at it, it just looks fantastic. 9.4 billion total tokens. 50% are sold in the pre-sale. So this could be very, very good, ladies and gents. Just have a little look at it. We've seen coins like this in the past go wild, like PlayDoge. So this could be us calling out another big one that might go absolutely wild as well. They are now up to 2.5k followers, so they are growing more and more, getting that community and culture on point. And here we can see the Bitcoin rainbow chart is sitting in that buy section. So I think we're in a good place. I think we've got at least 6 to 9 months left of the bull market. And overall, I think we could see something outrageous happen here for the crypto world. Ladies and gents, welcome back to 99 Bitcoin's YouTube channel. Please do subscribe if you're new here. Hit that notification bell if you do want to hit your crypto goals this coming bull run. And let me know down below in the comment section, what do you think about Wormhole? Do you think it's worth buying? I think honestly $1,000 worth, it won't change your life, but it could be a coin that does hit $10-20 billion market capital at some point in the future. Anyways, bye for now. And also on that note, if it does hit a 10x in terms of market capitalization, but then the supply increased by 5x, it's also going to only result in a 2x, right? It will only typically be a 2x. It also consider the emissions of the coin. Not many people will tell you about that. Anyways, see you soon, guys. Like the video. Bye for now, and have a wonderful weekend.